What's up guys, Kamil here. As you can see behind me, the barn is empty. That means that the silver E46 is not here, which means we are not working on it. Finally, the day came where we do something different. And you know that I recently bought an e36 Touring, and this car is lowered a lot. It has coilovers, which are piece of junk. On the rear, there is possibility to get the car higher, but there's no like this blocking nut that would make it stay this height. So let's do something different. Oof. This is how the car currently sits. It's on the rear, it's way too low for me. It's very difficult to drive. My main problem is with the rear suspension. I hate how low it is. It's ridiculous. I have no way of driving safely around town. Not only that, it's too low. It also has negative camber, which looks like the car is retarded, and therefore me too. Well, I don't consider myself looking retarded unless people see me in this car. No grip gang bullshit. $55.5. Since the coils on the rear are ridiculously stupid and ridiculously low and I'm not able to adjust the height, I bought this. These are rubber bushings that you put under your spring and above your spring in BMW. So they should give me 3 centimeters or 30 millimeters height. But that's the height gained if we were stock. We don't have that at all, and we should, but we don't. From my calculations, we should get 37 mil height. That's awesome. 35. We have 61 centimeters where we had 55.5. I think it just needs to settle. This coilover wouldn't be bad, but it's super rusted. So let's see if we can make something out of it. And that's it. The car is officially raced, so I can drive it like a normal person and I don't have to look like a retard. Okay, so it's a week after I raised the car and right now we have to measure the lift because everything's settled. The lift we got, and at the front we had 61 centimeters of ride height. Well, this measurement, now we are at 64. We are 3 centimeters higher, which is awesome. And at the back, we had like a 55 and a half. Yeah. Let's say we are at 60 and a half. So that gives us 5 centimeters more height than before, which is awesome considering that we have, I'm talking, which is awesome considering that we had, 3.7 centimeters lift kit, but we somehow gained 5 centimeters lift. I'm super happy with that, with no complaining. I would love to have it even a centimeter higher, but it is what it is. Right now, thank you for watching. Have a great night. Stay safe, hydrated, have fun, and bye.
Bye.